Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can download stickers and emojis in Line Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time now. Open the Line Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have Line, you can easily download it from the Play Store. Open the Line app, go to Home, which you see on the bottom left hand corner of your screen, and then click on Settings or the gear icon on the top right hand corner. So after you click it, you can scroll a little down and you can see under shop are stickers, themes and coins. Go ahead and tap on stickers and you can see the stickers option. Go ahead and tap on my stickers, and as soon as you tap on my stickers, you can see all of the stickers over here. So you can individually download the sticker pack which you want, or else you can scroll a little bit down and you can see download all option. Go ahead and tap on it and all of the stickers will be downloaded. So talking about emoji, just go ahead and tap on emoji and you can see the download all option. So if you want to download all of these stickers or emojis, you can just go ahead and tap on download all, or if you don't want all of these but want specific stickers and emojis, just go ahead and tap on it and the stickers and emojis will be downloaded according to your wish. If you want more sticker, you can see the sticker shop option. Go ahead and tap on my stickers, scroll all the way down and go to sticker shop. As soon as you click on sticker shop, you will be shown all of the type of stickers, paid, free, premium, and the rankings over here as well. So you can just go ahead and go to free if you don't want to spend money, and you can download all of the stickers and emojis of your wish. So guys, I hope this video about how you can download the stickers and emojis in Line Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.